Alright guys, so welcome back to my vlog. Can you guys hear me? I hope you guys can hear me. Week 5 of quarantine weekend, and we're cooking a West African dish with one of my good friends. Say hi, Caroline.
Hello.
What are we making?
We're making Yasa.
And on this quarantine, as soon as we got to the store, they gave us gloves. So let me finish putting my gloves on. All right, so Caroline's the cook, and I'm gonna be cooking what she tells me. I'm gonna be doing what she tells me to do. Okay.
So now we're gonna get the fish. We're gonna have it all.
Since your nose is supposed to be covered when you wear your mask, I think that's the whole point of the mask.
Right. So hope you can hear us.
Okay, what's happening?
We're gonna get the fish now. Make sure.
Two frozen croakers.
Okay, 2 frozen croakers.
Head on.
And then head on, and I want you to clean it up really well. And then the other 2 croakers, I want you to cut it in half.
4.
4.
Alright, so we couldn't vlog in the other store, but what I was trying to say is today is the 5th weekend, and today we're cooking with Caroline.
Yeah, well,
Caroline.
Yasa, it's a Gambian dish.
And Caroline's so corny. Okay. Caroline is one of my really good friends from college, and I always say like she's one of the best cooks because she's African. So we're gonna make a West African dish called Yasa. She's gonna tell me what to do, and we're gonna have some drinks while doing it. So quarantine weekend.
We're gonna get some more. We're gonna have a variety.
I need sangria. I'm not with that at all. Alright, so it's actually the 4th weekend that we're home quarantine, and it's Easter weekend. And I told you guys earlier I couldn't vlog in the store that we went to because everybody was like on edge. Tippy toe. So this whole time I've been quarantined, I haven't really been drinking. So today that I'm cooking with Caroline, we are having pre-made margaritas, Jose Cuervo edition, and then we bought some more Jose Cuervo. So Caroline's cleaning the fish, and cheers to Caroline and I.
Cheers. That's strong.
Okay. Alright guys, so we're about to season it. Ooh, Caroline, excuse you.
Excuse me, guys.
Alright guys, so you guys missed the whole seasoning process of this fish. Hold on one second. Caroline is like somebody's mom. She won't let me cook. But later on she gonna say I didn't cook. That's what she gonna say. But she didn't let me
I asked her.
cook!
I asked her to cut up some onions. She still hasn't done that.
Alright, so in order to get this base for this fish, can y'all see this fish? Caroline, come back behind the edge and block the... Oh, yeah, there you go. So yeah, can y'all see that base? Alright, in order to get that base, we used a lemon base. We used a lemon juice. She said the one from the African store, the Goya brand, is the best.
Or that one.
Or that one. We used some actual beef noir. We shook until our ancestors said stop shaking. Parsley. Here you go. Some more Maggi. My African people know. Maggi. That's the key to life. Small salt. Onion powder. Y'all don't mind my nails. It's quarantine weekend 4, and I can't get my nails done, so they're going to have to come off apparently. Black pepper. And garlic and ginger powder. Also in there, we add a little bit of oil, and we squeezed 2 lemons till their souls were gone. Okay, so that's how we baste the fish, and now the fish looks like this. And if you ask me, I did this myself. I did this shit, y'all. Okay. Man, we haven't cooked together in like maybe like 8 years. Who need to eat during quarantine? Caroline got all the food. Come here. This is the best cook that I know. So if you want my African brothers, if y'all looking for a wife.
No thanks, I'm good.
My African brothers, if y'all looking for a wife, okay? Cheers.
You know that's my drink, right? You already finished your drink. Oh, that's her second drink, by the way.
Drink number 2. So follow us on this journey. So what are we about to do next?
So you're gonna cut up the onions, and because I've asked her for 30 minutes now.
Okay, so I'm gonna cut the onions and then
what? The bell pepper.
Okay.
Okay, and then that's all you have to do. I'll take care of the rest. Where's the cover, Jennifer?
Cooking with Caroline. She wants to do everything.
Look.
These onions making me cry.
Oh, my hairdresser just texted us again.
Alright, while Jennifer is cutting up the onions, what I'm going to do is, I've been letting the fish just soak up in all the seasoning. So I have a spoon. Make sure you spice up your fish too as well. So you can just go ahead and marinate the spices and just put all the juices in there. Don't just season your fish.
Alright, so we're about to season the onions and the red peppers, bell peppers. How we gonna do it?
We're gonna season it with everything we season the fish with: some Maggi, chicken flavor, beef flavor, garlic powder. What's that? Garlic or onion?
This is onion.
Onion powder. If you do have some garlic, make sure to put that in there as well. We just ran out of garlic. Black pepper. Yes. Complete seasoning. You can get this from the store as well. I love it. That's the Maggi, beef, parsley. Alright. Yeah, parsley is very essential. You have to put a lot of parsley. The most essential ingredient. Spicy brown mustard. That's good. Yep. Spicy brown mustard. Yep. Stir everything up.
I'm looking for my Donnie. Where's your Donnie?
If you don't have these, you are not African. If you don't at least have one of this, you are not African. This is where all the good stuff goes.
Alright, so this is the fish after sitting for what? 30 minutes?
40, yeah.
Nice and marinated. We're gonna throw this in the oven. And we're gonna broil that joint. So put it at the top. That means it's cooking from the outside in. My darling sisters that can't cook. Learn how to cook. How would the man eat? My bad. How your kids gonna eat? Oh, your African girls that can't cook. Shame on your mom.
Shame on you. At least try. I came a long way. Alright, with the Yasa, I don't like grease at all. I don't do oil well, so I add oil as I go. Go ahead and put the oil in, Jennifer.
Oil.
And like I said, you can always add as you go. So that's good for now.
So your ancestors say stop. We don't like a lot of oil around here. We don't let that oil simmer.
While she's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and start on the rice.
I finally lost my first nail. Ah!
Slowly pour the onion and bell pepper in there. Slowly. Here, wait. Make sure you're using this one. Be careful.
onion until it's translucent. That means until it looks like it's been cooked.
But make sure to have a little bit of crunch in there as well.
But keep a little crunch.
Has to be a little bit of tangy on the side. It just has to be. It's a must. You have to put that lemon in there. Period. Okay? Even though she says I'm corny, but whatever. Alright, we're going to put some lemon juice in there. We're going to taste to see how it tastes. Go ahead, do the taste test.
Already?
Well, just see how it tastes with the lemon, like if I need to add some more. What's missing?
It's good to me. Onions just need to get a little bit more salt, but it does taste good.
I think it needs just some more Maggi, a little bit.
She the chef. It's her country.
So just some more Maggi. Y'all, when I say you can just smell this right now, it's everything.
It is very simple to cook. So
It
ladies,
is so simple.
y'all that. All y'all African girls that can cook. This how I'm looking at y'all. And you wanna this how I'm looking at you.
And make sure to clean as you go. It comes a long way. I don't like a dirty kitchen.
Alright, truthfully, I don't own a pot like this. I don't like these kind of pots because it should be sticking at the bottom. So I'm not a real African, but I'm a real African.
She's not. She's not. You gotta have that pot.
Caroline forgot to check the fish, and she gonna say I'm the one cooking.
No, the fish is fine. It's
Alright,
completely fine.
I see these peppers. These peppers right here will kill
Hot.
you.
Hot.
And we put in 3 because of Caroline.
And we're gonna add some more pepper in there too. Just so this is.
Remind you, we put the habanero pepper inside the fish.
This habanero mix is everything. It's fresh habaneros, vinegar, salt, seasoning, and lime juice. It's everything. Shout out to my cousin.
Again.
Again.
How y'all think I'm doing cooking?
If it's not spicy, food is never good. So.
Like, subscribe, comment, and let me know if y'all think I'm a chef on my own, because look, sis, this is a Gambian dish and I'm from Nigeria. I mean, the dish is good or whatever.
She tried it, but it's cool. So we're gonna get another drink?
It's about tasting. I'm too busy making margaritas.
I know, she's so busy, but it's bomb.
Talking about let's get it. This girl said we should have got an E&J.
We should've. Just take 2 shots of
We
that.
don't drink that, y'all.
If it's, okay.
E&J.
I prefer Jameson, but she doesn't like Jameson.
I drink Jameson, but
You do?
I don't drink like that to be buying bottles.
Look, go big or go home.
No way older than me.
How does it taste?
Amazing.
Is it good? Do we need to add
Amazing.
some more? I think a little
No.
just a dash of salt. Just a dash of salt. Food gotta be good.
This girl loves some good food. Go ahead, sis.
Food gotta be just a dash of salt. That's all you need. That's it.
It's called fish yasa.
Show that. Show that pot. No, you
Sis,
cannot
this
look-
pot,
Here.
that's another reason why I don't fuck with these kind of pies. These African pies.
Kim, it's too hot.
Because I need
Wait,
to.
just do this. No, do this. This is how you do it. Come on, sis. You're acting like you're not African.
Alright, y'all. So that is.
Jennifer.
But at least y'all get to see it better. So that is the gravy that is going to go on top of our rice. Yes!
Like, subscribe to my sister's channel. She's the bomb. She's a beast at everything she does. So, period. Like, she's gang. Like,
Alright, so that's after how many minutes of boiling? Because y'all know I've been cooking the whole time.
it's about 10 minutes, but we're not gonna turn the dish yet because if we do, it's gonna just mess everything up. Turn the fish, and we're gonna let it cook now on the other side, and we still have our onion on low heat. So over that. back soon. So let's.
Hey!
Is it open?
Finally done.
This should be done. So
I cooked the whole thing.
She did. She did. Look at her. Yeah, the fish is all nice. We're just gonna let it sit in there.
Wow. Wow. Gravy. Croca. Jasmine. Alright guys, so it's Easter weekend and I grew up Catholic. So I guess I'm Catholic till further notice. Okay, even though we go to a Baptist church. So my girl invited me over for some Easter dinner. Quarantine week 4 has come to an end. So we're celebrating quarantine week 4 together. Come Caroline, come sign off with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. But here's the finished product. Peace.
Let's taste. Let's taste.
Okay. 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 Peace. See y'all next time.